up. Yeah.
Let's call him because he
Naveen
or Aditya. The official will give the go. Ashish Yadav needs a little look in. 5-star Raider. 16 raid points per match always, and now he's been dashed. Such a nice place to be in, isn't it, Ahmednagar? And now the block comes in. Tejas Raut, who's been thrown into the grinder, kicks. First drawing those punches.
फिर से एक बार और क्या आदित्य की बात कर रहे थे, यहाँ पे पकड़े गए हैं.
Happens in this raid. We will go ahead and see that. And now something is bound to happen. And he kicks it. Nice margin. That was his first raid with a raid point, rather a bonus point, not a touch point, but still a raid point considered. And now that's a solo touch. And that's also something very new that we have seen. Nice kick. Simple.
और एब्सोल्युटली कभी-कभी देखा जाता है अहमदनगर के खिलाफ आप थक जाते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर
Abhishek Pawar got his first tackle point in the chain tackle, but now Aditya Shinde, he is what Nandurbar need is a touch point to save themselves from the all-out. Can he? No, he can't. Goes in deep.
दे रही है, लेकिन अहमदनगर ने कहा कि नंदुरबार थोड़ा सा रुकिए, थोड़ा सा ठहरिए.
Understand which of his skill is more now needed. Now, because they are trailing with 6 points, he needs to keep on raiding. See, you can call yourself as an all-rounder with the numbers. That's a nice turning of the page. That's what Nandurbar needs.
Nandurbar
जो जरूरत पड़े वो कर सकता है, और वहीं पर नजर आ रहे हैं, लेकिन काफी गैप बना करके रखा है. वो सोच रहे हैं कि जबरदस्ती कुछ
नहीं. Thanks to our content team. Lies upon the data providing team, which gives us those numbers here. The 33. The previous occasion. Super tackle on Navneet. If they can get these 2 points, that'd be really nice. Turn the pages.
वो जिस रिव्यू की मैं बात कर रहा था वो चले गया, लेकिन आपने ठीक बोला कि क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक-एक रिव्यू हर एक हाफ में.
And it's the second all out of the first half. Nandurbar haven't learned from their mistakes.
Ahmednagar all out.
Oh God, Navneet, after the all-in, they've got only 2 points. I still very clearly remember. See, I remember only 2 points to Nandurbar. So what is that meaning? That means the Raiders are struggling. And look at this. Jayesh Mahajan, he's got a very scrambled footwork. And come on.
1 point.
Tackled out apart from once. But now here, again a chain tackle. Look at that clinical. They don't want to be Bazigars. They always want it, but I don't think so. Ahmednagar wants to be the Bazigars.
वो तो आपने कहा कि हार के जीतने वाले को बाजी.
Yeah, correct. But let's go back to that classical kabaddi. What is the reason? Oh, that's a nice dupki. That's a nice sit-up dupki. This is not classical. This is modern to be played, especially at least in the defense. That's the end of the first half. Anti-block. Sushant Shinde goes over. See, when they don't play,
number 6
classic wants to go. Of April 5:30.
बस हाथ.
I feel so bad.
मेरे साथ
Nice, but again it eats up into the leg space. Like
right.
the Nandurbar.
I get your point.
Yeah.
1 point.
Like
Ahmednagar.
Praful Zavre, and बहुत जरूरी है यहाँ पे Nandurbar की ये super tackle उनको मिल जाए, and they've got it.
Super tackle.
Praful Zavre doesn't struggle. He knows
Nandurbar.
that it's no point. What a raid will happen now to Nandurbar. Aditya Shinde has made a defender go out of the end line, and he's also got Atul Rathod. 2 points. That is Aditya Shinde for you. He first made that left corner defender lose his balance. And Omkar Shinde will be not even given a bonus point, I guess.
1 plus 2, 3 points.
Yes, no bonus.
Ahmednagar all out.
And
Nandurbar.
once again, Sanket Kalate gets himself a tackle point. You make a sport television friendly. You need to have all these incorporations. Aditya Shinde once again.
I make sure that 1.5 to 2 hours before, because when you live in a big city like Bangalore, I mean, anything can happen. Anything can happen there. जी, और आज क्या अहमदनगर अभी जिस तरीके से नंदुरबार ने किया, 7 वर्ल्ड कप का रिकॉर्ड बना दे ताकि कोई उसे तोड़ ना पाए. और 2011 में तेंदुलकर ने 6th वर्ल्ड कप खेल के उनके रिकॉर्ड की बराबरी की थी.
Totally. And here Aditya's job. But yeah, Nandurbar will be eyeing to play the qualifiers for the semi-final.
हम
1
चौथी
plus 2
बार
3
यहाँ पे
points.
ऑल आउट देखेंगे।
Ahmednagar, all out Nandurbar.
Whoever's happy or no, but Sangli will be really happy.
तो फिर आपकी क्या सोच रही थी, इस टीम को कैसे हराया जाए, क्योंकि ये हार ही नहीं रही है, तो कुछ तो स्ट्रैटेजी होनी चाहिए।
Oh, that's another combination of the corners that came in. Abhishek Pawar and Sanket Kalate. And Aditya Shinde. Because Navneet in the defense. No. That's the first time the points will be given away. So if you really ask me, see, I don't want to be a coach here. And as he crossed the midline, looks like it. Looks like he's crossed it. They are counting the players now. Praful Zavre is confident that he's crossed the midline. He's once again going to wipe off the entire side.
Raider save. 4 points. Ahmednagar.
Super
Number 12,
raid.
10, 17 and 23.
7.5 minutes at least, they had the momentum. And then suddenly,
Raider out.
all that
पे और फिर से एक बार सिर्फ दो खिलाड़ी। इस बार अगर ये टीम ऑल आउट होती है शिंदे, और 50वां पॉइंट यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा और
Raider
ऑल
out.
आउट के भी
1 plus
पॉइंट
2 3
मिलेंगे।
points. Ahmednagar, all out Nandurbar.
को करते थे, इस तरीके का दृश्य देखने को मिलता था। तो मैं चाहता हूं कि एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम अहमदनगर भी वो
the end result. I mean, if you know what the climax is, why will you watch a movie? Nice combination. First 5 to 6 minutes, they did give them a fight. After that, it's all a practice.
आप 6 into 2 बोल रहे थे 12, मैं बोल रहा हूँ 14 into 4 56। सेम वॉइस और वो बस डिफरेंट हेयर स्टाइल।
Raider out.
Correct.
1 plus 2 3
Very
points.
different hairstyle this
Ahmednagar,
time for
all out
Aditya Shinde.
Nandurbar.
A nice archived footage keeps the match engaging.
को कितनी अच्छे तरीके से निखार कर
Ahmednagar.
बार की टीम ऑल आउट हो गई। एक्स्ट्राज में 1 पॉइंट, सुपर 8 एक लगाया।